Welcome to the channel. Today we're going to learn how to take this photo and convert it into this special effect. Let's get started. I've already selected this photo, so I'm just going to put this into a blank screen. I'll size them up a little bit, although we're going to play with that quite a bit, so I'm not going to put too much effort into the sizing. What we want to do is duplicate, and first thing I want to do is on this top layer, I'm going to remove the background. So see, now we got this boy. Let's just crop him so it's just the boy and set him off to the side for a minute. Now we go back to the original photo. What we want to do is make a black and white background. Filters, not quite filters. This one's filters. And we'll go down here into the monochrome area, make it monochrome. All right, that happened fairly quickly. All right, now there's your first effect. You can just put those right on top of each other. And let me get a little bit of that out of the way. So there you can see we have that. Now the next thing you can do is we can make this look like he's popping out a little bit. I'll take him down to about halfway to his face. There you go. There's another very common effect that people like to do. You can do the same thing with the bottom, but what we're going to do with the bottom, I'm going to go in here, edit, and we'll go to curved, pop those up. Now that did resize the overall photo a bit. You can see we're not quite aligned. All you have to do is resize this guy onto him. Takes a little bit of fidgety work. There you go. That gets you pretty close. And there you have it. You get a color foreground, black and white background, raised picture, individual coming out of the photo itself. So a lot of different 3D effects there. Mix and match them as much as you like.